Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Najmi. So I'm going to talk about the introduction of our project, which is coffee cherry pulper machine. First thing first, I'm going to talk about the problem from existing product. First is entrance flow of the machine. To ensure the coffee move flawlessly to the grinder and later on turn into pure coffee bean, flow of water is essential. Second, distance flexibility between wall surface to the grinder. Adjusting the distance between the wall cover to the grinder is crucial in order to allow different sizes of coffee cherry able to pass through. And third one is efficiency of peeling coffee. Improvement on the power source is needed to replace the manual way of pulping the coffee, which is way too exhausting. For our objective is to design a coffee cherry pulping machine that use motor powered, ergonomic and avoid damaging to the coffee bean. As for our project scope, first is for peeling coffee cherry only. The capacity should be 100 kg per hour. We using shredder method and using corrosion resistant material. Our project significance is collaboration with the small and medium enterprise. And this is our group logo, and our group name is Tiki Taka.
Alright, next we proceed to chapter 2, which is defining tasks. Okay, what we did here in this chapter is we gathered information and sources from the previous method or product that are available in the market. First of all, we compared a list of patterns, which is a total of 5 patterns that we can gather, that we can collect it, and we list out all the advantages and all the disadvantages to give us a clearer picture of what we're going to design the next coffee pulping machine. Alright, and after we gathered all the patterns, we compared also the existing product. And what we did is we benchmarking the product to get a clear picture, a more clear picture from the material that the product uses, the capacity that the product are capable of to, and also the weight and so on and so forth. Not just only that, we also conducted an online survey, which is consist of a few type of set of question, and this is the summary of the data that we collected. We classified the requirement into design, function, ergonomic, cost, maintenance, and also environmental friendliness. And from that, we can do clarifying objective, which are all the requirement that we highlighted before. And from the data that we collected, we can put the weighted objective tree. We can put the weighted rating method here to determine which are the function that are most valuable to the least valuable. Alright, basically this is what we do in chapter 2.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. I am Azizah Kwan. In this chapter 3, we discuss about the conceptual design for coffee cherry pulping machines. For component decomposition analysis, as you can see, each content control units, body part involve frame and processing part, and also mechanism. While functioning structure analysis, the electric motor requires an electrical energy for operation to rotate the drum roller, which is functioning to pulping the coffee cherry. For brainstorming process, we use the scamper technique to identify the requirement concept, while the morphological chart is shown in the slide. As you can see, for the sketching part, these are 2 out of 5 design that we have. The first one, it has an electric motor, and the second one is a simple shape which is cubic. That's all, thank you.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. So my name is Muhammad Wazi, and today I'm going to present about chapter 4. Chapter 4 is motor selection involved, and we have select a motor which is the top PCI series made out of cast iron, with 8 poles, power output of 1.1 kilowatt, efficiency, and the desired speed. So after that, we also have list out the material that are being involved in our project. This is for each part, the material are stated here, the cast iron, frame. Okay. So other than that, this is the belt analysis, example of belt analysis. So first we need to find the velocity ratio, and because we already have the speed and our initial speed and desired speed, we also have the pulley size, so there's nothing to prove here. Next is the speed, and we calculate it, we got it as 3.93%, and for the overall length, we found it as the belt length will be 1.61 meter. So yeah, after that we can find the power, and after that there are shaft analysis and bearing analysis, where we found the size and material of each part. And so that's it for chapter 4.
Okay, in this chapter 5, which is about detail design and product simulation, in this chapter we discuss about all the part design that we have made as a group, and we also included the assembly design, which contain isometric view, side view, an overall view of the assembly of our product, and also we included the exploded view with bill of material. And also in this chapter we conclude some failure analysis, and also we have exploded view animation for you to enjoy. Thank you.
Okay, so next is chapter 6. In this chapter 6, this is where we will be doing our rapid prototyping, and this is where we will discover what process is evolved in the machine, the coating machine. So, and we also considering the possible failure that might happen. And after that, we have discovered the possible machine failure, which is here. And for the frame body, we afraid if it cannot handle high weight, for drum, belt, and hopper, this is here. And that's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdul Nabi Abdul Aziz, and today I'll be presenting about Chapter 7, which is about sustainability and environmental consideration in engineering design. This topic is about sustainability, in which there is three elements that play a huge role, which is the environmental, social, and economic. Each of these elements we have put into consideration in our design of our product. For the first element, which is the economy, our machine can improve the production of coffee bean when compared to the older machine. This is because our machine is equipped with electric motor and also water sprinkler, which help with the pulping process of the coffee cherry. Next is the social. We believe that everyone can buy our products, such as the small coffee industry, so that they can use our machine to generate income for themselves. We also believe that our machine is an ergonomic machine, and which is help the worker when operating the machine to stay safe and also won't get injury from an awkward position when operating the machine. And lastly, for the environmental, we believe that our machine can reduce waste such as damaged coffee beans, which is a problem with the older machine, in which the machine affected the coffee bean when the pulping process occur. That's all for me. Thank you.
Economic and business plan. In executive summary, our objective is produce products that are not have yet in the market, and our target is small and medium enterprise. Our mission is build a best product, especially equipment for small industries, and vision produce product that meet your imagination. As we can see in this table is our product description, which is motor power 0.75 kW, net weight 45 kg, power supply AC 230 volt 50 Hz, price RM 2500, machine capability 100 kg of coffee cherry per hour, and efficiency up to 80%. For marketing strategy, the first one is the product itself, which is coffee cherry pulping machine. Secondly, the price must be reasonable and affordable price. Thirdly is promotion, and method used for promote our product such as advertising, sell promotion, and personal selling. And the last one is place. We will also hold a frequent demonstration at any small and medium-sized industries event or shopping mall to provide an introduction and explain the use of this machine. Next is sales forecast. Factors that should be considered. Firstly is competition. Second, changes in technology. Third, government action. And fourth, factors related to the concern itself. And for our marketing analysis, firstly, we do some survey, and secondly, comparison between others competitors.
About conclusion and recommendation. For conclusion, all the objectives were met because of the coffee cherry pulping machine design met all of the benchmarking requirement and objective. Our machine is more efficient and can make sure that the production of coffee bean is to increase. Not to be overlooked, all of the team member cooperation was crucial in accomplishing this task successfully. as this was by far one of the most difficult and demanding work the team had ever undertaken, especially given the constraint issue that arose during this epidemic. Next is for recommendation. For recommendation, we believe that the coffee cherry pulping design can be reevaluated to keep up to date and moving in line with the current trending in order to attract people's attention and allow it to be more efficiency and can help to improve the production of coffee bean in the future. Thank you.